All right, guys, welcome back. All right, so today what you guys are going to be doing is you are going to be taking a virtual field trip to the San Diego Zoo. Okay, so on this trip to the zoo, you are going to look around and you are going to look at all the different animals. You're going to look at the map of the zoo, and what you're going to eventually do is you're going to write 5 paragraphs in which you describe what your field trip to the zoo looked like. All right, so let me just go over this real fast, and then you guys can see some of the things that can help you. All right, so this is the first worksheet that you need to look at, the one that says field trip to the zoo. It says, today we will take a field trip to the San Diego Zoo. Since this flight is about 12 hours round trip, and the school day is only about 6 hours, we're going to do a virtual trip. Okay, so the first step is you're going to visit the San Diego virtual tour. Okay, so step 2 here, you have live cameras of different animals. Again, you would click on this hyperlink. Here you have a map of the zoo. Okay. What you're gonna do is you're gonna write a personal narrative about your visit. Okay. Your narrative is gonna you're basically gonna be pretending like you're there. Okay. So you're obviously gonna have to use your imagination. You're gonna make sure that you create a nice setting that it feels like you're actually there. Okay. Again, you're gonna need to use sensory details, which are your 5 senses. Again, you should have about 5 paragraphs, and the narrative is going to tell me how your day went. Teach me what you learned about, and it has to include at least 3 different animals. Again, this is not supposed to be super scientific. It's just you just noticing things that you noticed at the zoo. Okay. Um, Again, there's lots of different hyperlinks for you to click on to kind of navigate yourself through the zoo. Make sure you use the map of the zoo to help you walk around in your trip. Again, be as creative as you want. Have fun with this. Again, if you're confused about how to get the essay started, I posted a rubric on the bottom and a basic outline, so how your essay should look like. I also included a sample essay. Okay, so you can use that sample essay to get an idea of what you should be doing. Okay, all the websites are also below here, so if you're confused about what things are, just look at the hyperlinks. Again, this is going to be due in 2 days, right? So you'll have today and tomorrow to work on it. And again, here I have some more links for you to click on to navigate through the zoo. Again, you need to have 5 paragraphs. Again, you're pretending you're at the zoo. And then again, I have a essay here that I'm opening right now so that you can see it. Okay, this is someone else's essay in which they describe their trip to the zoo, and you're basically going to do the same type of thing. Okay, and that's basically it. Okay, you guys will have today and tomorrow to work on this. What I also included is just like a little narrative writing rubric, which basically just explains what you should be having on it. So if you do everything here on this left side, it means that you're doing everything that you should have in your writing essay. So you might want to look at this rubric before you start writing so you have an idea of what it is that you want to do in terms of it, right? So certain things that you're going to need in there is some figurative language to describe what you're seeing, some sensory details, and all the rest of the stuff is just basic narrative stuff, okay? All right, so again, field trip to the zoo today and tomorrow. Have fun.